Hi everyone, welcome back to the Planet Pearl YouTube channel. I'm doing a little catch up after Christmas Day. It's a really gentle one. The Advent week of love turned into one of those really busy but fulfilling days as well. So one of the highlights was visiting the Indian grocery store and picking up our family's favorite South Indian snacks. A few years ago, these were not available at all, and now seeing them on the shelves made us so happy. It felt like such a small thing, but it's a little bit of home back in this country that we now call home. Because I was on holiday, the days just blurred into one another, and suddenly here we are at the end of Christmas holidays, and honestly it has been really nice. There has been a lot of happy family moments, just being together without any plans or schedules. And there was a very tender moment for me when I realized how thoughtful the boys had been with their gifts they got me. My Hobonichi weeks for 2026 arrived just in time to open on Christmas Day. I haven't set it up yet, but just having it there feels really good, to know that I have it there. I made all the favorite meals the boys are requested, and then we had these really fun conversations about Christmases past and little things that we remember about each other and stuff like that. All that was really heartwarming to me. And I've been really soaking it all in without trying to document everything, just being in the moment and enjoying it. One small thing I really loved doing was making paper stars. I used old wrapping paper that came with my thrifted craft cupboard I showed a long time back. And I also gathered up some old paper bags I had, and it felt really good to make something so simple, to use up the things that I had at the same time and to decorate the home with it. Nothing really fancy, it was just the small touches that make the space feel loved. I've also been doing a little bit of crafting here and there. I've been working on my Seroto socks, and it has grown up quite a bit. So this is how much I have finished working on these. Both of them are kind of at the same place. And I also made 2 mini socks. So now I have 4 little socks. So I made these 2. I think, yes, these 2 were the latest finishes. And then I already had these 2. And so I have a few of the socks that I finished. It's not everything I wanted to make, but it has been really enjoyable, and I feel happy that I was able to at least make these. And I keep wanting to cast on all the things, and then reminding myself that this season is more about progress and then starting everything new. But I still want to cast on. One thought of mine is that if I start something, I will have the opportunity to open it when I want to and work on it. But I have not really started doing anything just yet. And I did have a little bit of a mishap too. I was practicing Casper's recall with a long leash, and he got very excited and tugged it. I slipped and fell on the grass. I'm okay, just a little bit of a bruised and sore shoulders, and a little bit of loss of pride as well. It has definitely slowed me down. It's swollen and all that, and it reminds me to take things a little bit easier. So lately there has been a lot of sleeping, eating, and repeating the same thing with small pockets of making and family time. We had a lot of leftovers, which made it even easier for us. I watched a couple of Christmas movies, of course, Love Actually. I also watched a streamed alumni function from my school, which felt really nostalgic. I caught up with family back home. So I'm just soaking up in all of it. Work starts back again and runs through to the 31st. So that's going to be a little shift back into routine. And yeah, I think that's what this episode is really about. It's the continuation of the Advent in a way. Days filled with rest, with care, using what I have, feeding my family with their favorite food, and letting the days just, be calm and cozy. I've not made any big resolutions. I don't really like making any resolutions. I'm just holding on to these beautiful moments, and I'm trying to take them forward into the new year. And I hope you are finding moments of calm in your days as well. And thank you so much for spending this part of the year with me. I am really grateful for all of the comments, all of the likes, and I'm really grateful for our little community that we have here. And I'll see you all in the new year. And take good care of yourselves and keep spreading smiles one stitch at a time. Bye for now.